guess where we're at? Hong Kong, yeah.
Oh, mini Melbourne.
She says mini Melbourne. Guys, it's so hot here. Like humid, like it's getting like island girl, island girl. But we came like, when did we come? Like an hour ago? This is our view. Okay, I'll do a little hotel, you don't have to look at the mess, I'm not gonna film that, but quickly. So we got 3 beds, and then we got our rubbish here, and then we're going to the Avenue of Stars and the K11 Mall. My friend gave me a bunch of recommendations. Yeah, this hotel's really cute. I like it. Gonna rate it like 8 out of 10. Guys, I genuinely could not vlog anything. It was raining like crazy out there. But we're in this shopping center right now. Look at that. Ooh. My friend literally told me to come here and it's so cool. We got some food from 7-Eleven, so we're gonna go find somewhere to sit and eat. Somewhere that's like not fancy, because this is all like designer. Look. I got ham and cheese sandwich from 7-Eleven, and we're literally just like sitting here and eating. Bliss and wellness. I don't know what's going on here. So many smells. It literally feels like we're Melbourne Central right now. It's like the same things, just like different names. You got the whole Smisky shelf, you got the wine boxes, you got more Miffy, like lamps, everything. Down. Cooking like a chef. Straight away after we get into the hotel.
Genuinely, I'm not even joking. K-barbecue straight away.
Actually,
We should find one like a deep.
oh, it's burnt. Guys, look, we found a slime making workshop.
Do you love slime?
Tiana would have ate that up. Tiana would have ate this place up. My god. Yeah. Build-A-Bear. Oh, it's update, it's still raining, but a bit less this time. And we got this bus. Bye bye. Guys, we still got our umbrellas out. Look at us with our 7-Eleven umbrellas. Wait. Oh, it's a whole waterfall. Oh wow. Look at that. We got a big ass waterfall in front of the K11. And we got Bella Hadid. Girl, stop this rain, please. Guys, we nearly got ran over. These like cars are crazy here. Oh, Pierre. I like the vibe of the rain, but not the actual rain. Yeah, not the getting wet part. Oh, that's cool. Now that's nice. Look at that, guys. I think we are. This is the harbour. Look, there's like birds. Whoa. Genuinely, whoa. Okay, this is officially the Avenue of the Stars. I see the pig that Tiana was talking about. The pig's right there.
Starbucks.
And Shake Shack next to it.
Really?
I think so.
Oh, is that the pig?
Yeah.
Oh. Can you take a photo of the pig?
Sure. Look at this boat. Honestly, just get onto the boat.
Genuinely.
At least there's a cover.
I'm doing like a trip in the harbour.
Yeah. Bye bye. Bye bye. Yeah, do you want orange juice again? There's your pig. Pig. Piggy pig. We found Bruce Lee, guys. Bruce Look, so we found like the canned prints that I'm pretty sure most of these are from like actors, actresses, like famous people from Hong Kong, I'm guessing. And there's also so many like boats here. It's still raining, yeah, look, it's still raining. It kind of like, it's kind of like on and off, like it starts raining and then it stops and then, I don't know. Whoa. I'm gonna try my best to vlog this for you guys, even though it's pouring down. But Sienna got a vitamin.
The rain got none on me, bro.
Keep it undercover. I think this place is like the main shopping area because there's so many like shops, like jewelry, fancy like designer places, like handbags. There's like so many things. It kind of reminds me of Melbourne. But let's go see what Sasha has. Guys, look at this donkey. Grocery store donkey in Hong Kong. Look, they got like food, meat, fruit, vegetable, Aldi, Coles, Woolworths. Look at that. Yeah, you'll be like overstimulated and fruit. Look at that. Look at all the decorations.
It's family mall.
It's the, what's it, what does he play? Rugby? And look at that, Hello Kitty. Don Don Don. Oh my god, I actually missed this place. Look at this donkey gacha. Don Don Donki gacha. You need to get a token. Are you sure? I don't know.
What's that thing? How do you... What is it? Do you like the view or how do you like
You like the view?
You like the view?
No, you do? No.
How does it
Something
go?
like that.
I don't have TikTok
like
to
the
search
view?
it up. You do?
You're my best view. Ta-da! Look at that. How cool. Damn. Guys, look at this. There are these like random vending machines in here with just like these characters. Cho. And you can like buy them, I'm guessing. I don't know if it's actually like like do you actually get the character or is it like a lucky thingy where they, I don't know. But look, they have this as well. This little man's. Hi. What's up? So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm getting. This macaroni thingy and drink. So we're gonna officially try and see what this tastes like. Guys, I got this Hong Kong comfort food. Is that for me?
Yeah.
Thank you. I also got this drink. I think this was all together like $11 Australian. And also I get egg and toast as well. Look. Damn. What'd you get?
I got hot lemonade.
Hot lemonade for a detox. So yeah, we're gonna enjoy our meal now and see what it's like. Hollywood name. Bruce Lee was his actual name. Look, they got a whole Bruce Lee thing in the station here. Okay guys, we're ready for the stairs. Guys, are you ready for the stairs? Ready? Guys, we're going up the steps. up the 1,000 steps, like in Japan. Oh, it's also like raining probably really badly still, so umbrella it is. And look at the stairs, wait, look at the stairs. Like freaking soaking wet. Wet, wet, wet. Wow, lovely.
Wow.
So beautiful. It's raining in the rainforest. Ta-da! Oh my god, look at this building, bro. Look at that. Whoa. Look at this. We're going up to the peak tram now and the wax museum. I'm so excited. And we're drenched. Look at my hair. It's just the curls. I'm excited. Look at that, guys. How much is it? I mean, yeah.
Living a life just like a movie star. Oh, Maria, Maria.
We're on the peak tram right now. They're taking peaks.
We're going, guys, up the train.
We're going up.
Pretty much like this right now. Vertical. I'm not joking.
We're like
Pretty much rolling up.
And we're also going to the wax museum, so I'm so excited. We're also gonna meet Michael Waxon again.
The real deal, guys. We're gonna meet the real ones. It's not fake.
No,
real.
Real Michael Waxon. And who else did they have? Everyone.
That's like proper. You're sure?
Are you trying to film with her?
Then you don't have to waste your story.
I only use my phone for like photos if I want to take myself. Look at that, we're in a rainforest.
We're actually in the rainforest.
Look at that. Whoa. Look, it's actually like foggy, you can't see anything. That's what makes it feel like we're in the forest.
Yeah. I'm actually telling you now in Melbourne.
We're in heaven.
Where are the clouds? Where is it? Let me just...
No, guys, we're genuinely.
We're actually in the clouds. Look at that. What the heck? Guys, we've reached heaven.
Side quest of Gerard, we're in heaven. Look at that. Oh my god. Look at that.
I swear. That is too real.
No, it is.
Like, that actually
I gotta
stop. I'm not even joking. It actually looks. He looks real. Stop. Imagine he moved. Stop.
Imagine he's like, hello.
Imagine it's one of those like really like tiny that he's too real.
Guys, I'm scared.
This is a horror movie. I'm not even joking. Like, it's genuinely. So I swear.
No,
This is actually like a horror movie. I'm actually gonna whack someone. I'm gonna whack someone.
Oh, okay.
Don't jump.
It's alright, there's other people in here, okay?
Look, imagine that.
Guys, look at that. Can I we should pretend to be one of them. Understand it? Excuse me. Go. Excuse me.
Imagine you move. Imagine, excuse me, sir.
Guys, what if we like touch someone and we like think it's a wax?
I cannot believe you're actually going full, like checking photos.
What's this? He looks fun. What's up? They're too real. Like, what do you mean? Oh my days. Is that an actual photo? Why is he sitting on me?
Oh, what did you say? One more.
Oh, you're covering my face, mate. Actually, can't.
Strike the pose.
Hello? Look, come. Hello? Lady Gaga.
They did her nasty with that pose. I won't lie. This was tall.
Gaga, ooh la la.
I'm telling you now, he actually twitched. The eye actually moved. Like, I'm not joking.
Excuse me, are you alive?
But she looks fake.
Blink twice if you need help.
Swear, that's not even known.
Who is this? Louis who?
That's not a joke.
Where's Potter? She's a part of the wax. I don't even know. Oh.
And you can like take
Yeah.
and they send
I don't even know who this is, but I'll take it for you. Look at that. Oh my. Look at that. What's up? What's up? You got a problem? What's up? Yeah. What's up?
Yes.
This is my new boy.
Hold his hand.
Whoa. What is going on? Look at that. Polka dot room.
Which one? The one that you walk in and it says.
Oh, and who's behind this? What's his name? Van Diesel.
Yeah. What if he's Fast and Furious?
What's up, Van Diesel?
Oh, okay.
Look at all this makeup.
Yes. Elon Musk.
To hit was it $1
Elon Musk, lovely to meet you. Can we please have like 3 million each?
Just
Please. Elon Musk. Guys, so we found a dad, like this guy from Squid Game. Why'd you ditch your baby? Why'd you ditch your baby? Bro, we got beef. Mate, why'd you ditch your baby in Squid Game, huh? Why'd you ditch the baby? You are my destiny. What's up? Oh my god. Yeah, bro. What's up, Mr. Simple Junior? Whatever your name is. They're here dancing and they're side-eyeing. Why are you side-eyeing? Why are you side-eyeing? What's up, bro? Why are you mad? Yeah. Look guys, Michael Jackson. A smooth criminal. Oh, you can't even dance. Let's dance. On this screen, look, we're gonna dance. Come on. I can't dance with all this stuff.
Oh, that's the one leg.
This is day 2 in Hong Kong. Look at the rain. It's like on and off, and for some reason every time we like come outside it's just pouring down, and then it stops for a bit, and then there's like nothing, and then it's drizzling, and then it's pouring. You know, it would be fine if it was just like drizzling the whole time, but literally just buckets down, and like Tiana's socks are soaked. Tiana's socks soaks. Yeah, soaks because they're soaked. Tiana's socks are literally soaked in water. Somehow mine managed to stay like low-key dry. Wow, miracle. They're like wet, but they're not that wet. But I actually had a poncho, but I was like, that didn't do anything. Maybe it did, but I actually had a poncho, so it kind of stopped me from getting too wet. But yeah, we just had some mix shui milk tea with black pearls. Elena hated it, but that's alright. And then I don't know what we're gonna do, because it's like raining. We're like, what do we do? We wanted to go to Causeway Bay, was it? And Central, so we might go to Central a bit later on. But yeah. Oh, we actually no. Yeah. We're on a mission. We need to find gumboots or Crocs. I'm looking for Crocs. Tiana's like either gumboots or Crocs. So I don't even know where to look. We're just gonna like look it up on Google or something. So hopefully we find it.